to the channel. So today I'm super excited because I am doing another collab. Yay! As you guys know, throughout the whole February, we are doing a couple different collabs with some of my favorite YouTubers. So today is no different. So we are celebrating 3 years on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for everything. So we are going to be collabing with Miss Michelle, which is Miss Magical Blackness. Yay! So yeah, so she does a couple different things over on her channel. I really like her channel. I like her content. Also, her Instagram and everything is really nice. She also does lifestyle stuff. So she shares some things with her sons and things like that. So she's just really cool, really fun. Modeling, just like I said, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely love her. Like I said, love her channel, love her energy. So after you guys watch my video, please go over and give her some of your support. So if you guys are here from her channel, thank y'all so much for coming over. I appreciate you guys so much. My name is Beauty by Mark, as you guys can see, and I bring you guys videos, mostly reviews, mostly synthetic. I do bring you some human hair reviews, and I bring you a couple of other things over here as well. So if you guys, after you watch this video, then go ahead and look around my channel and consider subscribing and hit the bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload. So today we decided that we want to do a collab. One, I think this month is her birthday. She's gonna have a birthday this month, and also it is my 3 years on YouTube. So we thought we would push it all together, boom, and make you guys a nice collab. So we also are going to bring you guys an outfit as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm really excited about the wig that I'm reviewing today. I want to say the name of this wig is Katya, Katya. Absolutely love this wig. So let's go ahead and let's get into the review, and then I'm going to come back to you guys at the end and give you guys my pros and my cons on this unit. I think you guys are going to like it. I think you're going to like it because I like it. Okay, you guys, so I did want to go ahead and get into the wig as far as the hairline is concerned. I did the same thing with this wig as I normally do. I went in, I cut off the faux scalp that comes along with it, because y'all know me, I don't need no extra scalp. I cut that off, and so once I cut that off, I went in and I used some tint on the lace. The lace wasn't too bad this time, but I did put a little bit of tint on it, as you guys can see as the sides are coming up. What I'm showing you is the hairline on this. This hairline is bomb.com, y'all. Absolutely love this hairline. All I had to do was go in and spray it down. I did use some of my bed hair to spray it down. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to do the hairline a little bit different. I wanted to do a deep side part with this. Even though you do get a 13 by 6 with this, you can go in and part it multiple places and do a lot of things with this wig in the front. But what I wanted to do was make it a deep left side part with it. So that's what I used the hairline to do. All you got to do is go in and spray it down with the bed hair, and it really does melt. So as you can see, I'm just spraying, and then I'm going in between using cool air and heat to make it melt down. To make it not be so crusty, I'm not using the Got Be Glue spray on the actual lace, but I am going to use some of that when I go to lay down my edges. So that's what I'm doing here. And once I get done, you know, laying the edges and everything down, I did tie it up just a little bit, and then I went in and I put the part in. Now when I put the part in, I did put a little bit of powder. I'm not sure if I showed that in here, but I did put a little bit of powder in the parting area. All in all, the wig comes together super, super nice. Absolutely love this wig. I love the texture. I definitely love the color of this wig. I fell in love with the color a while back, and I think that the wig is just beautiful. This is the gel that I end up using on it, and I just used that because, like I said, I didn't want it to be too hard, and then I went in with a little bit of the mousse. So you guys stay tuned, watch me finish molding it, and I'll come back to you guys at the end to give you guys my pros and my cons. So like I said, everything about this wig is really pretty. I really like it. I love it putting the curls in and just making it like really pretty, and it's kind of like voluminous, but yet at the same time it could be an everyday wear, just because the curls kind of fall to the bottom like this right here, and then you see the color and have the color up in here. So when this wig first came out, I had it for like, I don't know, I had this wig when it first came out, and I just had it over there in the box, and I saw it and I was like, oh, it's another perfect hairline wig, and I never really even worried about the wig, and literally, you guys, I didn't even pay the wig any more attention. I think I have it in 2 colors. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get to it. I'll review it. It wasn't until I want to say I saw Princess reviewed this wig, and I have to leave her picture somewhere up here, or maybe her link below, because she reviewed it and she's here on YouTube as well. So she reviewed it, and I was like, oh my god, I absolutely love the wig. It's yucky. I love the length of it. I love it's not too heavy. I love all the things she did with it. So I absolutely love the review that she did on this wig. So kudos to her for her review on this wig. So like I said, I thought it was just another melted hairline wig, which it is, but what I loved about it is the texture. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I end up getting it
or I have it in 2 colors. So I have it, I think, in a number 1B or color 1B, and then I have it in this color here. So over time, this color has become one of my favorite colors. This is the ginger brown. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's not brown, it's not black, it's not red. It's like a little bit of everything mixed in between. So I absolutely love it. And you also get a little bit of a dark root, so it looks pretty natural. So what I wanted to do with it is I wanted to add some curls to it. So what I did is I went in and I curled it, and then I just took some of my clips and I clipped it, and I just left it like that for probably a week, probably 2. Who knows, you know? And I left it on the mannequin head, threw it away, and used it for this review. I think it's gorgeous. I wanted to add some curls to it. I thought that with the texture and everything, it would look really, really nice. So pros and cons. The only con I have is going to be it did come with a faux scalp. Extra scalps are needed, Outre. So they're still making these wigs with the extra scalp or faux scalp. So I did go in and cut mine off. I showed you guys here somewhere. If I did not, I will link a video below to one that I have already cut out. So I cut it out, got rid of it, and once you get rid of it, to me, it's just a perfect wig. I feel like it's just everything. So that's the only con that I see with this. I think the density on it is nice. I think the color is nice. I love the way it falls. Even when it's straight, it falls very good. And I will, like I said, link other reviews below because other people have reviewed this wig. And I also will put a shout out and slay in this one. So make sure you guys watch this video to the end so you can see other people's reviews on this, or at least see their pictures, and then you can go to their reviews. So like I said, I feel like everybody did a good job on it. A lot of people wore it straight. I wanted to go in and curl it, and I gave it this curly look, and I think it's really pretty. With it being Valentine's, the month of Valentine's, the season of love, I felt like I wanted to give it some romance curls and make it look really, really pretty, and I think that's what I did. So I love it. I think with it being yaki, the curls are absolutely beautiful, and they will last long. As you guys can see, the parting area came out really good. I did something different with my parting area this time by bringing it over here. I usually don't do that. Let me know if you guys like it. I think it's cute. It, like I said, it adds a little sexy vibe to it, and it definitely makes it look real or more like a frontal unit. So I do love that. Other than that, cap construction is good. You guys know it's just a normal cap construction. Everything else about this is really cute. So let's go ahead and get into the outfit that I chose to wear today. So this outfit is from, I want to say, Dillard's. I ended up shopping at Dillard's maybe a week or 2 ago, and I ended up getting this red dress. I thought it was really pretty. Obviously, I think it's for like more like the summertime, not the winter, because of the back, but it's super, super cute. And it comes with this like nice little dip right here, and it does have a little hard piece here for those of you ladies who have some boobs. Girl, I don't have any. If you find some, let me know, because I don't got that much. So, but this really cute. So I found this, I want to say it might have been like a junior's, maybe 16 in juniors. It's really a pretty dress, so I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see it. It's just like a skater's dress. Let me push my chair back. It's just a little skater's dress, but what I liked about it was the back of it. I think the back is really cute. So yeah, it just comes up here, and then you have the back, and then it zips up in the front, and it also zips up in the back. So I think that it was really cute. Definitely really pretty for the summertime, I think. And once it just like maybe spring, where it's like not too hot, not too cold, it's like that perfect weather, then you can wear it. You can probably make this a seasonal dress and wear it in the winter as well. If you throw it with a jacket or blazer or something, and maybe with some tights and some boots or something like that. So I think it's really cute. Earrings that I have on, I like these little earrings. These here, I want to say I ended up getting these from Amazon a while back. I can't leave you guys a link below. I did a haul a while back, and I ended up picking up these earrings. So this is a look that I have. I think it's cute. I think it's definitely screams February. It definitely screams love, and it definitely Valentine's Day. And if you guys are interested in the wig, I'm going to leave all that in the description box below on how to purchase. Stay tuned for my shout outs and slays, you guys. Stay tuned for my shout outs and slays. This wig in their own way, and they all look beautiful. I will leave links to all their reviews below. Thank her again for collabing with me. I really appreciate it. It's always a lot to get collabs done, so I appreciate her for collabing with me. And while I'm on that subject, returning subscribers and YouTube babes, thank y'all so much for stopping by the channel. I appreciate you guys. pulling up on a sister. I thank y'all so much for stopping by. If you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.